There's got Wessex Blades. I've just come in from about 4 days worth of leather, working with templates and prototypes in order to make a cool belt sheath for this little axe. This is one of Rich Torn's mates from the Vikings, and he's got a Fiskars X10. If you have a look at it, put a light on it, boop boop, he's got a hell of a ding. Where is it? It's always back to front on the camera. As you can see there, it's all reversed in it when you go close. Now, so I'm not going to let that out, not sharp. But when I actually feel the edge, it's really rolled. So the steel comes across quite soft. So I'm not going to make the edge any leaner than what it is. If anything, I'm going to make it slightly more convex in order to protect that edge. So I'm going to grind it back to take that chip out, which is pretty damn enormous, and then put a nice edge on. But I just thought it'd be cool to just show the way that this hatchet axe is put together. It's got an accentuated wedge, if you have a look there. So for the stock that it's got, they've actually shaped more of a wedge profile for splitting. It's a very shallow hollow grind. So obviously it's done on a wheel or something like that. So it's to get in with a reasonably lean front end, and then split by the time it gets at the top without trapping on the side there. It's got a bit of a pull on the yard, but it's not too much like an American axe with a very heavy pole. So it's still reasonably European shape to it. Heel's not, is it heel and toe and all the rest of it? It's not that bearded a profile, if you have a look at it like that. But anyway, I'm going to try not to go too far up the actual face of the axe head, and just redress that edge. But I say I've got to take it back at least 2 mil because of that dirty great dink out of there like that. Right, see you in a minute.
Morning, the BBC Sunset bus is parked up. It's not going anywhere. Right. It is boxed in.
So I've done. So I've gone flat on the grinder on the bed, gone against the belt, and took the beer, took the chunk out of the blade. So the burr's gone, the chip is gone, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit it into literally sit it in one of those, and then come across with a nice angle onto the top of there. So go on with a permanent marker, Sharpie.
66 to call, or you can text me 81333. Just start your text with Somerset.
So Ben McGrail on BBC Somerset.
Your county, your
and I'll set up an angle on there. It's quite a bold angle. See like that. See if it rolls, because I don't know what steel is. Nope, it's good. It's good.